que eu quero ser.
Here we are in Kestel, specifically Dimçay, to show you a beautiful and big apartment. So if you're ready, let's check it out. Social activities here include an outdoor swimming pool, barbecue area and a calm relaxation area besides the beautiful river.
Eu não posso comparar, ninguém faz igual. Tua boca foi feita pra me beijar.
This is a 2+1 apartment with a total area of 120 meters square. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room and an American-style kitchen and a 30 meter square terrace.
Nossas almas se amam, diz que é meu, que eu sou sua. Nossos olhos se encontram, nossas lentes desejam, nossas almas se amam, diz que é
This is a fully furnished apartment and it's about 3 kilometers away from the beach. So for more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Wish you have a nice day.